Hi, welcome to another edition of Bumper to Bumper, your almost daily tidbit video of the Indian auto market. I'm Shravan, managing editor of Indian Autos blog, and today we're going to be discussing about the C segment hatchbacks, which may look like as though they're going to be coming to India, if the Indian media reports are to be believed. Now, I think we'll be talking only about three C segment hatchbacks. As you know, C segment hatchback is a hatchback one size bigger than cars like the Swift, Fabia, Polo, etc. So I think the three points of discussion today will be, in terms of products, are i30, Volkswagen Golf, and then the Ford Focus. Of course, the i30 comes from Hyundai. We'll be discussing a little bit of advantages and disadvantages as far as these three products are concerned. The first one, of course, which I'd like to discuss about is the Volkswagen Golf. I think this is the easiest to manufacture in India, if you ask me, because the Volkswagen Golf will be based on the MQB platform. Now, the MQB platform is the future of the Volkswagen Group as product development is concerned. So they develop a carriage on top of which they have so many top hats. So in the future, you will see the Volkswagen Polo, the Vento, Jetta, Superb, Passat. The Superb in the sense from the Skoda. All these cars will be built on the same platform. And so in terms of scale, economies of scale, I think the gain is large. And it's very, very easy to build this car because the components are going to be pretty much the same for a Jetta and a Golf, or for a Passat and a Golf in the future. The real disadvantage for me, as far as the Golf is concerned, the new Golf is obviously going to be unveiled later this year, the 7th generation model. I think the looks of that vehicle will be a bit of, let's say, standardness in that looks. Because Volkswagen products in the future, even now for that matter, if you see the Vento and the Jetta, when I see a car approaching me, I'm not very sure as to which one I'm seeing. So I think there is a bit of standardization in terms of looks, and I hope that Volkswagen takes care of this, because this seems to be a problem. The second hatchback is, of course, the Hyundai i30. I think the i30, obviously, there's going to be questions raised on whether they're going to manufacture this car in India, because otherwise the price targets will not be met. I think Hyundai i30, if you ask me, honestly, the talk has been around for a while now. And between 9 and 11 lakh rupees, they're now only starting to sell or learning this space here in India, learning how to sell a car here in India. 9 to 11 lakh rupees is where the Verna sits, and the previous Verna, I'll call it the alien-faced Verna, did not make amends. But the fluidic Verna now, you see, really turning the heat on in terms of market share, in terms of offering customers a bit of style, bit of panache. And so Hyundai is learning how to sell a car between 9 and 11 lakh. This is exactly the space where the i30 may sit if they prefer to manufacture it in India. So Hyundai may have to wait a bit longer, maybe learn a little bit more as far as what this segment needs. And when the volume starts to open up, then I think they can offer a car in this space, because not everybody likes the same kind of vehicle. I like a black shirt, you may wear a red shirt, you may wear a hat, you may not wear a shirt, you may look at a t-shirt, or you may look at any kind of, so everybody has their own tastes. And I think this is where the Hyundai i30 starts to make a case for itself, because it's different in terms of design. Of course, the third hatchback is the Ford Focus. I'm not sure what Ford is thinking, whether they want to bring the C hatch, the Focus hatch here. I think the Fiesta itself has been a bit of people start to say that it's a bit overpriced, or maybe the price positioning they've gone wrong with it. I'm not really sure, but if they do bring the Focus hatchback to India, what exactly is the car's USP? That is something that we need to see. And I think Ford cars, in terms of USP, they are really exciting to drive, and this has to be the marketing point of the Focus, if you ask me. I think Ford is better off selling the sedan first, and then maybe venturing into the Focus, venturing into the hatchback. In terms of design also, if you see, the Focus looks a little outdated when you compare it to the competition. If you park it next to an EcoSport or a Fiesta, the Focus is slowly even starting to show its age, I will say. And so I think they need a redesigned Focus if they have to, and a renewed Focus if they really have to be competitive. Having said all this, I'd like to know your thoughts on what you think about the premium hatchbacks in India. Do you think they stand a chance? Do you think the market is still evolving and still needs some more time for these bigger hatches? Or do you think that the number of people who are buying cars today in that segment will also be tempted to take a look at the hatchback as a product? I'll see you soon with another video, so stay tuned to Indian Autos blog.